Welcome to the New York Session Weekly Analysis. You all know what we do here already. We do come here every weekend to analyze the market and look at for what the market will be doing for the coming week, if we should be looking for a buy or we should be looking for sell for the coming week, all right? So as you can see my watch list here, we have US30, S&P 500 and gold, all right? So right now I am going to start by analyzing US30 first of all. So this is the 1 hour chart on US30. As you all know already, we only use three time frame: the daily, the H4, and also the H1. Those are the three time frames we use to analyze our trade and also execute our trade. So the first thing I will have to do is to go all the way up to the what, to the daily time frame. Now the first thing we do here is to identify the trend of the market for the day. All right, that means, as you can see right now, price is on a bullish move here, just like that. US30 is on a bullish move, giving us a what? A series of what? A series of a higher low, higher high, and a higher low here, higher high and a higher lows. Then we're expecting price to push up or either drop to this level. Now, let us do our analysis and see what we should be expecting for this week. As you can see on US30, we have a resistance zone here, right? We have a resistance zone on US30. Let me do my settings real quick, all right? Extend right, just like this, all right? So we have a resistance zone and we are going to leave the resistance key level here as our as blue, right? So we have a daily resistance key level and also we have a daily support key level. That is to tell us that either price break this level above, push back retest, or price should drop to this level retest, then we look for a long opportunity. But right now, we are day traders, right? We don't trade on a daily time frame. All we have to do is to identify the trend and also plot our key levels. Looking from this level here, it is very clean. We have a clean key level here, right? We have a resistance here, a resistance. Price broke our resistance on pulls back to retest, which is cool, all right? So what do we do next? We'll look for the next key level again. So as you guys can see, we have another key level here. And anytime we have price on a bullish move, price, that is to tell us that we should be looking, that's a good confirmation that we should be looking for a buying opportunity. So based on the daily time frame perspective now, it's either the next candle open, break this key level, push back retest, and we long, or price should continue dropping to this level. Either give us the first support here, second support, and continue heading to the upside, or price to break, push back retest, and we buy from here. All right. Now, you as a trader, you should be thinking probability no matter what, right? You should be thinking probability since you don't control the market. If this refuses to happen, I'm going to be doing that. If that refuses to happen, I'm going to be doing this. That's how you should be thinking. What if you are expecting price to buy and price did not buy? What would you do? Are you going to leave price like that? Are you going to leave the market because you're expecting price to buy and price did not buy? Since we can't control the market, all we just have to do is to do our top-down analysis and wait for what we should be waiting for in the market. Since we don't control the market, like I said, I am reducing the skill level because when we start getting to the smaller time frame, I don't want it to start getting bigger and bigger, right? So let's just reduce our key level a little bit, just like that, a little bit. Let's come to this level right now. Reduce our key level a little bit, just like this. All right. So now let's look for more key level. Now, what is the market currently doing here? US30 is currently moving sideways somewhere here. We have a higher high, higher low here, higher high and a higher low, higher high, a higher low, a double top, then price drop. You understand? Then pulls back to retest on that neckline. It's an overextension. Then as you can see, price keep dropping. All right. So we have another key level here. Price push to the upside again, drop, come to respect this our key level here, then push to the upside. Right now price is currently dropping. We don't know what price is going to do. What we have to do is to plot our key level, right? So on here we see have another clean key level here, which is our support level, just like this. Just like this. We are going to be analyzing US30. We're going to be analyzing gold, all right? So now, as you can see, we have a support level here, support level here, support level, and it is that support that price is currently retesting or respecting. So I'm going to have to change the color of this one to like this. No, let me bring it here. I'm going to change the color and put it like this, all right? Okay, so let's say 30. Let's look for more key level, guys. Let's look for more key level. I'm going to have to reduce this one like this and look for what we should be expecting for the week. Right now, daily is bullish, right? But trying to consolidate, as you can see, like that around that level, but the overall direction is bullish. Then 4 hour right now is moving sideways with no clean direction. But all we just have to do is very simple. We wait for what price will be doing, all right? That is the next key level, guys. So now, based on the 4 hour time frame, either price start dropping, right? If price drop, break this our key level, pulls back, retest, then we short, just like this to this level. If price break here, we short again, just like this, pulls back, retest, and we short. Or price should break this key level above, pulls back like this, retest, then we long, all right? So let's continue. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame real quick. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, which is our entry time frame, where we are going to be waiting for price to come retest on, where we will be waiting for our price to come to our POI, where we'll be waiting for price to come to our POI, all right? So on here, you can see we have a support zone, a support zone. Then right now, it's a resistance here that price broke, pulls back to retest here. Do you understand? As you can see, it's all polishing. We have a break and a retest, which is our trading style. As you all know, our trading style is a break and a retest. If you've been following me for a while now, or if you've been following my main channel, which is the New York session, you should see that you will also know that my trading system is just a break, a simple break and a retest. I don't trade any other thing than a break and a retest, just a break and a retest. Break and retest is what I've been using for a while now. It's what I've been using to trade and to make money from the financial market, all right? So do we also have another key level here? Yeah, this is our 1 hour key level, just like this. We bring it, reduce it like this. Okay, reduce it. Now we change the color, right, to yellow. And also, do we have another clean key level here, guys? On here, this is another clean key level here that we should be paying attention to. If I extend, as you can see, it was a resistance from this angle, now a support. Let me reduce it again. Now a support here, and it's a resistance, 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 resistance. And right now, price broke it before, pulls back. As you can see, this is what we are seeing on the chart currently. Do we have any other key level here? I am going to mark our key level, and yeah, so this is another support zone, and this is another zone here. Now, I want you to know something, right? This blue line is a daily time frame line. Then this one, this blue key level is from the daily time frame. The hash one or the gray one is from the 4 hour time frame. Then the yellow is from the 1 hour time frame. When price start reacting there, then I will know that okay, price is reacting to so time frame key level. All right. So now it will be very simple. Either price break this key level, pulls back, retest, and we long on US30, or price should drop, pulls back, retest, and we short on US30. This is what we are going to be expecting. We are day traders, and we are also trading on the higher time frame, right? That is to tell us that we should be thinking probability. And this is what I'll be expecting from US30. Talking about the trend of the market, right now we are not having any clean move, right? If price break this key level, this 4 hour key level below push back greater, that's to tell us that we should be expecting to long to short US30. Yeah, that is to say we should be expecting to short US30. And the next one here is either I wait for price to break this key level above push back retest, then I know that okay, this long, this buying opportunity, it's also confirmed, all right. But other than that, I'll be waiting for price to break this key level, push back retest, I long, just like this, or break below pulls back retest I showed, right? So now talking about S&P 500, it is the same thing with US30, but we are going to have to analyze it real quick without wasting time. As you can see, S&P 500 is nothing but bullish, all right? And on the bullish move here, we have a double bottom here, right? A double bottom, and this is the neckline of the double bottom. Price broke the neckline already. What are we expecting? A push back to this level, a push back to this level. Then price should continue heading to the upside. So right now, if we want to mark our key level from here, then this is going to be the level that we should be expecting price to get to. Yeah, guys, the analysis I'm doing here is what I'm going to be using for this coming week. All right. So we pay attention, daily neckline, just like this. Let's keep pushing it. Daily neckline, just like that. Let's push. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So the reason why I feel like analyzing or doing my top down analysis from the 4 hour time frame is because of the way the market is moving, right? So let's put the scale level here. I'm going to take this one away and find our direction from the 4 hour time frame, just like this. So we have a resistance zone, a resistance, 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 resistance before price finally broke that resistance zone. So I'm going to have to change this color to blue. Let me reduce that. I'm going to change it to blue like this. And right now, where is the next key level? Here is the next key level. This is the next key level here, which is our what? Our 4 hour resistance. I'm going to identify that as the H4 resistance. Now, the first thing here that we've seen here is that S&P 500 is on a bullish move. That is to tell us that we can only be looking for buying opportunity, but we should be expecting price to drop to this level, this key level, then start heading to the upside. How do I know? Because that is a daily key level, a daily POI. Right now, we take our Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, just like this. Fibonacci is telling us that yes, we should pay attention to this key level. Do you understand? And as you can see, price is looking like it's going to drop. When price drop, we buy. And if price breaks below pushback retest, we long. Right? We buy. It's still the same language. It's just the Forex terminology. All right. So we have a clean key level here that we're supposed to close. So right now, this is a clean key level, guys. Just like this. So we have a resistance zone in resistance. Price broke it, pushback retest. So we identify it as the H4 key level, just like this. Let's continue. Let's go to our entry time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. All right. Now let me break down something to you guys. Right now, I am going to have to put this key level and drop it here. Yeah, because we are going to have a resistance price broke it, push by turn into a support. Right now, what should we be expecting? If price continue heading to the upside, we expect price to break this key level, push back retest, then we will have to long here. Am I seeing a key level here? I guess I am seeing a key level, but before that, I'm going to have to reduce this one like this. And this is a clean key level here. Yeah, so I'm going to change the color to yellow, just like that. So right now, if at our price break this level, pulls back, retest, I will long like that. But if at our price start dropping, break this level, pulls back, retest, I short, then I look to long around this level. You understand? This is how you should be thinking as a trader. You should be thinking probability no matter what, all right? Let me drop this key level. Okay, that's our 4 hour resistance. So what would I be expecting? Price break this level, pulls back, retest, and we long, or we look to long from here. Stop loss below, then we look to long here starting from here. This is what I'll be expecting for the week, all right? So let's jump to gold and wrap it up real quick. Okay, let's jump to gold and wrap it up real quick. So first of all, we'll check the daily time frame. Guys, last week we analyzed gold that gold should come to our level before we look for a buying opportunity, and gold did exactly as we expected to do. So right now, the daily time frame right now, we are not having any clean move here on gold, right? We are not having any clean move here on gold from the daily time frame. So that's going to take me to 4 hour time frame to look for the to plot our key levels. All right. So right now, after shrinking our chart, we notice that we have a resistance zone here. We have a resistance zone here, just like this, shift it to the upside. So we have a resistance zone like this. Okay, I'm just trying to make our key level make sense. Okay, so we have a resistance zone like this. I'll change the color to, what would I change the color to? Okay, I'll change the color to hash like this, or gray, the color that we're using. That is a resistance zone, right? The 4 hour resistance zone. And do we have any other key level here? Yes, very, very clean here. This is a clean key level. You're telling us that if price breaks this level, we should push back retest, then we long all the way up there. Now, am I seeing any other key level? Yes, this is a clean key level here that we should be paying attention to, because of what? If price move to the upside, and if price breaks this key level of 33.75 here, this is it. Price should push back retest, then we long. But we are not done plotting our key levels yet, because you can see gold is not even giving us any clean direction. Gold is just moving sideways, not looking that beautiful as usual. All right, so let me clone and mark more key levels. Okay, this is a clinky level. What we support is supported right now. This is a support around that level. Um, that's a support. And what is this again? So as you can see here, guys, what we support is support is support is support is support. Price is still supporting this level. Now, what am I going to be expecting? Either price, if price wants to drop, it should break this key level, this 4 hour key level of 33.20.35, push back retest, then I short all the way to this level, right? Or price should break above, just like the pushback retest, then with long, because gold is not giving us any clean direction. You understand? Gold is not giving us anything clean at all. So that is why we don't know the direction of the market. But jumping to the 1 hour time frame, all we just have to do is to plot our key levels. Anything that price gives to us, or any direction that price is heading to at all, we'll find our entry there, and we buy. All right. We are day traders, we execute and leave the trade for that day. We are day traders slash swing trader, because when we execute our trade and market is slow, right? what do? We will just have to wait and wait until price hit our take profit, because my rules are either price hit my take profit or hit my stop loss. Those are my rules, all right? So let me see, let's reduce this key level. Okay, let's shrink again. If there's anything we are missing here, nothing. So on here, this is going to be our support. We have a resistance break turn into a support here. Now let's find the next key level. This is the next key level here. That is to tell us that what price has taken out that resistance zone already. Let me change the color on the 1 hour time frame real quick to yellow. So that's to say, okay, now let's mark another key level, just like this, just like that. So now what do we expect? We wait for price to, since price has taken out this resistance zone already, we wait for price to pulls back just like this to retest, then we long. Then if price break this killer pulls back, we still long again. Do you understand? Other than that, I am not seeing any sell here on gold right now, but you all know gold has no direction currently, so we will also think probability too. Let me clone this key level and see if we have a cleaner key level here. Let's say if we have a cleaner key level here. So now this is a cleaner key level. This is the next key level. Now, what should I be expecting? If price refuse to respect here, then price should break this key level, pulls back, I sell, then I sell just like this. All right, this is what I'll be doing on gold right now, this new week that will be coming, because of what we don't have a clean direction. Other than that, I believe you guys love the breakdowns, and it's very simple. If you love the breakdown, all I'm asking from you is to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. Other than that, guys, peace.